ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ቤተሰቦች። በዛሬው ቪዲዮ 184ኛውን ጥያቄ ስሰራ የማሳያችሁ ይሆናል። በቀጥታ ወደ ጥያቄው ነው የምንሄደው። አብራችሁን ቆዩ። Okay, question number 184, it says that if 1 Japanese yen is equal to $0.01 and 100 US dollars is equal to 5,000 Indian rupees, how many Japanese yens are 100 Indian rupees? A 20, B 200, C 500, D 2,000. Now you are given here the exchange rate between yen and US dollar, and again the exchange rate between US dollar and Indian rupees. Then from this information you are required to find out the amount of yens which are equal to 100 Indian rupees. For that matter, you have given the exchange rate between dollar and yen, and again between dollar and Indian rupees. Then from this information, you can find out the exchange rate between Indian rupees and Japanese yen. And after that, you are required to find out the amount of yen which is equal to 100 Indian rupees. Okay, for that matter, first you are given the exchange rate between Japanese yen and US dollar, and it is equal to 1 yen is equal to $0.01. Then from this you are going to find out the amount of $1 which is equal to a certain amount of yen. So $1 can be is equal to 1 over 0.01, then which is equal to 100 yen. So 1 yen is equal to $0.01, then $1 means 100 yen. And again, from the second information, that means the exchange rate between dollar and Indian rupees, you have given $100 is equal to 5,000 Indian rupees. Then from this again you can find out the amount of $1 which is equal to a certain amount of rupees, and $1 means 5,000 over 100 rupees, which is equal to 50 rupees. Now you get $1 is equal to 100 yen, and again $1 is equal to 50 rupees. $1 means 100 yen, and again it is equal to 50 rupees. In other words, 100 yen is equal to 50 rupees. Then you get this information, and if 100 yen is equal to 50 rupees, then how much yens are 100 rupees? You can crisscross and find out the amount of yens which are equal to 100 Indian rupees. Then 100 yens means 50 rupees. Then how much yens how much yens are 100 rupees? Okay, you can crisscross this one and find the amount of yens which are equal to 100 rupees. And from this, x yen means 100 yen times by 100 rupees divided by 50 rupees, which is equal to 200 yens. Then 100 Indian rupees is equal to 200 Japanese yens. And your answer for this question is choice B. Choice B is the correct answer for this question. እሺ ውድ ተመልካቾች በዛሬው ዕለት ያቀረብኩላችሁ 184ኛው ጥያቄ ከነ አሰራሩና ከነ መልሱ ይሄን ይመስል ነበር። በዚህ ቻናል ለስራ ውድድር ጥያቄ እንደዚሁም በተለያዩ ፈተናዎች ላይ የሚመጡ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች ከናሰራራቸው የሚቀርቡበት ቻናል ነው። በመሆኑም ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ በየጊዜው የምለቃቸውን ጥያቄዎች ያገኛችሁ የተለማመዳችሁ እንድትሰሩ ለመጋበዝ እወዳለሁ። ከዛ በተጨማሪ ደግሞ ሌሎች ተማሪዎች፣ ስራ ፈላጊዎች ይህን ቻናል እንዳገኙትና ተጠቃሚ እንደሆኑ ቻናሉን ለነሱም ሼር አድርጉላቸው።